Welcome back, my YouTube fam. It is cooking time with C. Let's get this delicious soup started. I'm going to start my cooking shows off with it is cooking time with C. I like that. So today we are doing a broccoli cheese soup. But my meat of choice in this soup will be breakfast links that I have cooked up and kind of put them in bite sizes. I will show you how I will add that to our broccoli and cheese soup. But let me give you my ingredients. Remember, I normally don't measure anything. I go by taste. So this is the ingredients that we have on hand, and this is what I'm using. So we have, I would say, probably 2.5 cups of broccoli. We have probably a cup and a half of mushrooms. Any type of mushrooms, whatever. This is what I had. This is what I'm using. I have cheese-wise, and I will add the pictures. I have Monterey Jack, and I have sharp cheddar, diced up. Also, I have the little bit left of this pack that I'm going to be using up. That is part of the taco blend, but I'm dumping it all in and using it up. I have my trio plus one, as usual, trio plus one. And I have my chicken broth, which any chicken broth will do, but I did also, this is only a cup of chicken broth. I added a little bit of vegetable broth in this too. So this is chicken broth and vegetable broth, but it's up to you what you want to put in yours. And we will be using heavy cream to help thicken it. But also, I usually keep this on hand. I have powder cheddar cheese. This also helps me thicken it so I don't have to use starch. So this is just my little trick, and it might help you out. But these are, I need to first saute my vegetables. I have a little bit of oil that was used with the sausage, that rendered off the sausage, and I put that in there. And I'm first going to put in my broccoli. I'm trying to think. No, let me put in my mushrooms, because mushrooms are going to definitely make some juice. So I'm putting most of the mushrooms in, plus a little bit of the broccoli went in too. So we're just going to start. The mushrooms are getting close to where I want them to be. So let me get the rest of my broccoli in here. Well, let me start on this side because I see I got a little bit more mushroom broth here. And I forgot to tell you, I put about 4 cloves of garlic in here. So I'm just going to, or we'll see. No, I'm putting all the broth in. I'm putting all the broth in. I might have to even make some more. That's my garlic, you see, minced up. So I'm going to now turn it up. And this is probably going to cook, I think, I want my broccoli pretty tender. So I'm going to let this probably cook for a good, in my broth. And I'm going to get ready to add a little bit more of my seasoning. I'm a heavy-handed with my season. You do not have to do it this way. This is all about the concept of what to do with your spare vegetables and stuff in your refrigerator. You just never know. Put them together. Come up with a nice, healthy meal. Eating healthy doesn't really have to be expensive. You just have to cook. And if you don't enjoy cooking, that is probably going to be the hardest part, is to try to eat healthy and either order and stuff like that. It'll be hard, but it'll also be very expensive. So it's only about 10, and my broccoli, since it's in small pieces, is more than enough done for me. So I am now going to I'm going to move it down here until the fire, until I add. So I'm just going to move this over and add my heavy cream. And again, I eyeball what I want. I don't measure it. I eyeball it. I want mine to be pretty cheesy. So I'm doing about 1/3 a cup of heavy cream. I think my heat is down. I don't want my cheese to be added in when it's boiling. So it is first time the cubes in. So I'm just going to pour all my cubes right in. Cubes are going to take a time to melt. So I want my cubes in as my heat is down on low. I'm just going to keep stirring my cheese in and let it melt on its own. And then I can see how thick it gets with just the cheese, and that depends on the powder cheese that I need. Which I'm already seeing. I'm gonna need my powdered cheese. So let's put just a little. So this is about 2 tablespoons, thick enough for my taste. And I might even have to add some more powder to it because I don't think the regular cheese is needed. I didn't add this, so let's just go and add the rest of this and see how thick this makes it. We call it broccoli and cheese for a reason. It's a lot of cheese. This is what I'm talking about. Let's now add a couple of the sausage in, because I do want it to cook a little bit with some of the sausage, like half of them. That's about it. I don't want them all, a lot of them in there. I don't want them all getting too soggy, but I do want it to pick up the sausage flavor. So I'm just we are going to get a spoon so I can taste. So family, see you in the next clip. Let's first add my one ingredient is smoked paprika. And I'm just going to do it's about that much in here. And that was all I wanted to add in there. And I put a little bit more pepper. So one side, we are going to put this over here. And let's give it a taste. Delicious. That is perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me ladle up some and put it in a bowl. And see you in the next clip, fam. And we're back. Doesn't this look yummy? I cannot wait to eat. This was another easy recipe. You could have it with or without meat. But right now I am having it with the breakfast sausage that I cut up and fried and everything. So fam, let me know if you tried it, if you liked it, if you're gonna. So family, once again, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Give me a thumbs up, please. That's a sign of support. Those thumbs up are a sign of support. But thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you get to enjoy. See you later, family. Have a lovely day.